Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a detailed video on eyebrow tutorial. If you want to see how I do my brows, please keep watching. Starting off, I'm going in with brow pomade, the Hega and Esther brow pomade. It's a Nigerian brand. I'm using it to outline the brows using using an angled brush for Morphe. As you can see, I'm taking my time to outline it so as to make sure I don't make mistakes. And I'm filling the brows with the eyebrow pencil, the Davis eyebrow pencil. I'm lightly filling it in so it looks as natural as possible, doing hair-like strokes. After filling the brows, I'm going ahead to conceal using the MAC concealer to highlight the brows. I used the two shades, NC43 and NC45. NC43 is lighter and I use that towards the eyebrow bone area. Then the NC45, I use it on the outer corner and also the inner corner of the brows. So it will blend in with her foundation and blend in with her skin tone as well. Also, I don't conceal the top of my brows because I really don't see the need to do it. But normally, if I'm going to do brows before anything, I would have to conceal it. But if I do brows after skin work, I don't conceal. But if you have to conceal, make sure you use your exact skin tone so it will blend in with your foundation. Now I'm buffing out the concealer. I'm blending it in using a brush from using a brush from the Wide Lamp Face Experts brush set. After blending in the concealer, I'm setting it down for the powder from one of the powder shades from the Mystical Rose powder palette. I'm using two different shades of powder. I'm using the powder that is her shade to set the outer corner of the brows, and the one that is lighter on her brow bone as well. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. Tell me what you think about these brows. Don't forget to like, comment, give this video a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you for watching.